Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to delete your Gmail account and also of course delete the Google account because these are connected. So if you don't want to receive mail anymore, you wish to get rid of it, you can delete your account permanently by these steps I'll show you in this video. But don't forget that everything you've had under your account, including all of your mail, all of the YouTube accounts you've had, just literally everything that is connected to the ecosystem of Google, after the deletion of your account, all of this will be gone. So if you're okay with that, then let us proceed. So first thing you do, type in Google account and just make sure to sign in with your account. In here, we don't need to search for anything. Let us just type in delete in the search. This is the search for settings, and as you can see, we have a delete your account section. In here, make sure to just provide your password for your account, and then let us continue. Alright, and as you can see, now we have a page with deletion of your account. Also, if you wish, you can download the entirety of your data, pretty much everything you have ever done or received. With your account, you can just download your data, and also you will get a summary of which content will be deleted. So as you can see, I have what am I deleting? So Drive files, Gmail with 5,000 mails, brand account, my YouTube videos, calendar, contacts, and just literally everything else that I've ever had connected to this account. And after that, you just accept that you wish to delete your account. Okay, I understand this, so pretty much click everything and then press on delete account. Of course, I won't do it, but guys, this is going to be your last button, and then after the 30 days pass, your account will be permanently removed. Enjoy, guys. If this helped you out, help me out as well with a like and a subscription, and thanks for watching.